Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR5, one of the best DDR5 5200MHz RAM options for gamers and creators. Let's dive into its features, pros, cons, and final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features. High-speed performance. Running at a speed of 5200 MHz, the T-Force Delta DDR5 offers a perfect balance between speed and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or working with heavy applications, this RAM ensures faster load times and smooth multitasking, giving you a noticeable boost in everyday system responsiveness. Enhanced power management. Thanks to its built-in power management ICs, PMICs, this RAM operates more efficiently while maintaining stability. It also features an advanced cooling design that helps regulate temperature during demanding tasks. This ensures longevity and keeps your system running reliably even under load. On-die ECC for stability. The T-Force Delta DDR5 includes on-die ECC, error-correcting code, which corrects minor errors at the chip level. While it's not full ECC memory, it still enhances stability, especially useful for multitaskers and users who demand high reliability from their system. Stunning RGB lighting. If aesthetics matter to you, this RAM doesn't disappoint. It comes with 120-degree ultra-wide RGB lighting that delivers vibrant and customizable colors. You can easily sync it with other RGB components using supported lighting software, making your build not just powerful but also visually stunning. Intel XMP 3.0 support. Overclocking is made simple with Intel XMP 3.0 support. Just one click and you can push your RAM beyond standard speeds without manually tweaking BIOS settings. A perfect feature for those who want more power without the hassle. Pros. Fast 5200 MHz speed for smooth performance. Power efficient with advanced cooling. On-die ECC improves stability. Customizable RGB lighting with wide-angle glow. Easy overclocking with Intel XMP 3.0 support. Great for gaming, streaming, and creative tasks. Cons. RGB lighting may not appeal to minimalist builds. Higher price compared to DDR4 alternatives. Full ECC support not available for enterprise use. Final thoughts. The Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 5200 MHz is more than just good-looking RAM. It's built for speed, efficiency, and reliability. With great thermal design, error correction, and plug-and-play overclocking, it's perfect for anyone building a future-ready PC. So if you're upgrading your desktop and want performance with style, this is a solid choice. Check the price in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.